Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this bright look in Dress and Prowse without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it with this color. And then you're going to combine it with this hair. Choose only bangs and make it the same color. And then put on this flower crown. And you're going to make it white and you can do adjustment. Alright, and then put on this necklace, make it white, and this item, make it white. This necklace, make it white, and also this one, make it white. And then this ribbon from the kids item, you can choose behind hat too, and you can apply the white color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and put on this corset. For this corset, you're going to choose to go one, and then you're going to apply this pattern for the first selection. For the next selection, just color it white. Okay, and then you're going to put on this gloves and remove the fur. And we're going to go to the dressing room. It's here. Then you can put the Sabrina Carpenter dress and apply this pattern. And then you're going to combine it with this dress. You can choose toggle 3 and remove the shiny dress, and then you're going to apply the same pattern for the first selection, and for the second selection until the last selection, make it this white color. Okay, and the last one, make it this color. And then I'm going to put on this dress, and we're going to apply this pattern for the first selection until the second selection. And then I'm going to put on this ribbon, apply this pattern, and then the last one, I'm going to put on this flower, and then we're going to make it hold out, and you can make it this color. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.